Hello everyone and welcome to the Crypto Session Brief. We're on Monday the 27th of June 2022. Let's head into crypto markets then. We'll look at Litecoin, Ripple, Ethereum and Bitcoin and how it's tracking so far. How can see it tracking for the rest of today. Crypto seems to be in that consolidatory phase at the moment again. Interestingly, put in that nice swing low there, nice high low. Now it's a case of trying to put in another one here around the 20,000 mark, around 20,500. You can see, or 21,000, I should say, where you can see we've had that recent retest and bounce off that area. Can they continue to push higher onwards and upwards and basically break what was last week's high and also that high from back there on the 21st of June? So you got that those two highs that we need to try and get through now, and then we can start to aim towards the 24k. So if we have a clean takeout of those highs, look towards the 24k handle. Nice high low to be put in around this 21,000 area if they can hold here. Otherwise, if we, on the flip side of that, if we reject that high once again and we break that that low that I was just mentioning at around 29.20, then a move lower could be on the cards to basically retest that low, which is around 19,750, 19,766. So that 20,000 handle obviously is the round number that we should be aware of. Ethereum, on the other hand, as well, I say on the other hand, it's pretty similar setup at the moment to what we've just discussed. So nice swing low, nice high low. Can it get another one in around here, around the 1,200 mark? You can see, looking to last week, tried to break higher but got faded back down. So now it's a case of, can it continue to track higher, basically get above that high from back in mid-June, and then you can start to look for a fade of the overall move lower back up into the 1550 area, I should say. Ripple spiked last week on the back of SEC rulings potentially being on the cards, but as you can see so far, we've had that big rejection of one of our key levels at 0.3870. Since then, we've just been tracking to the downside and contracting. You can see that triangular pattern been forming, so a potential breakout here is on the cards. So be aware of that. Momentum is to the upside, but if we see a move to the downside, you could see a drastic move, full fade back down of that that spike higher, and then move down into 0.3345. I was discussing a buy the rumor, sell the fact hypothesis last week. Litecoin, to wrap things up, also tracking higher, as you can see. So that correlation between cryptos looking pretty strong again at the minute. Heading into the 60 cents handle, you can see a rejection off the 60. Two support attempts in the past throughout earlier on in the month at 60, and then some resistance over the past few days to trading hours, and pretty big level, that 60 cents then. So if they can't get through 60, let's see where we head to. I think if we break this trend line, which is just starting to form, then a move back down into 50 is going to be the obvious candidate from here. That's a wrap for today's crypto brief. I'll see you in the X chat. Till next time, all the best of your trading and bye for now.